There are two ways to control the brightness of a desktop computer monitor. The first method each monitor has a joystick button to control brightness. This joystick button can be located anywhere on the back or bottom of the monitor. I will now use this joystick button to decrease the brightness of the monitor. With this joystick, you can increase or decrease the brightness of the monitor. If the first method does not work on your computer, then you follow the second method. Second method. Download the Twinkle Tray software from GitHub. I have already downloaded the software. I will put the software download link in my video description or pin comment. Now install the software. Now you can control monitor brightness with this software.